Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, we will be creating golden 3D text design using Adobe Photoshop without using its 3D feature, which required a graphics card. And the best thing is it is fully customizable. It means that you can change the direction of shadow, you can edit the text, you can use your logo, and you can also do some more customization. You can also download this project file absolutely for free. The download link will be in the video description. Anyways, hit the like button and let's jump to the Photoshop. Okay, so here we are in Photoshop, and the first thing that we need to do is to create a new document. As always, the size is 1920 by 1080 and the resolution is 72 pixels per inch. Click on create. For the background, let's create a gradient adjustment layer. Click on this drop down menu and select the black and white preset. Click here to edit it. Select this point and change its color to a dark bluish color. Now click on this slider and change its color. Pick the same color like before, but make sure it is a little bit brighter. Hit OK. Make sure its style is linear. Angle is -135. Scale is 180. Check the dither option to remove some of the bandages. Check the reverse option and then hit OK. Now delete this layer because we don't need it. Let's rename this layer background. Next, select the type tool. Click anywhere on the canvas and type your text. I want to type in royal. Confirm it. Click on these three dots and change this option to canvas. Now click on align horizontal center and align vertical center. It will align the selected layer perfectly into the center. Now let's put this layer in a group by pressing Ctrl G. Rename it text. Right click on this group and choose blending option. In the layer cell menu, click on gradient overlay. Click on this drop down menu and select this preset. Now edit the gradient just like we edit it for the background. Increase its scale to 150. Check the dither option to remove some of the bandages. Now click on stroke. Size is 5. Position is outside. Fill type is gradient. Click here to edit the gradient. Select this gradient. You can download this gradient from the link in the video description. Now to create this gradient, select this black and white gradient, click on this slider and change its color to yellow. Now create another point and decrease its brightness. Hit OK. Now create more sliders by just clicking here. Now select this slider and click between these sliders. You can also move these sliders here and there to create a variation. So this is how you can create the golden gradient. I want to select this gradient, but you can create the way I show you. Increase its scale to 150. Click on bevel and emboss. Style is stroke emboss. Size is 5. Angle is 55. Altitude is 45. Check this anti-aliased option. Click on this drop down menu and select this preset. Highlight opacity is 75. Shadow opacity is also 75. Click on contour. Check the option and increase its range to 60. Hit OK. By the way, hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed to this channel yet. Anyways, now let's convert the layer into a smart object so we can work non-destructively. Now in order to extrude the text and make it 3D, we will be using a free Photoshop action which you can download from the link in the video's description. With the help of this action, we can easily and quickly extrude our subject and make it 3D. Once you download the action, unzip it and double click on it. Photoshop will automatically install it. Now all you need to do is to go to Windows and choose action. And there we have. First of all, play the action that says play me first. It will do few things, and now it's time to choose an angle in which you want to extrude your text. I want to extrude my text in this direction, so I need to choose this action. Just play this action few times. It will create few copies, which is fine. Remove these effects from it because we don't need it for now. Now it's time to create the shadow. Again, we will be using another Photoshop action which you can download from the link in the video description. It is also for free. Once you download it, unzip it and double click on it. Photoshop will install it automatically. Now open this group. Select this layer. Hold Alt key on your keyboard and drag it down to duplicate it. Next, go to Windows and choose Action. Open this folder, select this action and play it. And it will create a realistic long shadow. You can also change its angle from here. Let's keep it 45. Also delete this layer because we don't need it anymore. Let's drop down its opacity to 70%. Now to create the reflection, let's select this group, duplicate it by pressing Ctrl J. Rename it reflection. Drag it beneath the shadow layer. Let's zoom in a little bit and move this layer with the help of move tool. You can also use your arrow keys to be more precise. Once it is done, then drop down its opacity to about 20%. Now create a curves adjustment layer on top of everything. Add a little bit of contrast and brightness. Now go to the red channel and decrease it just a bit. Now go to the blue channel and increase it a little bit. Now for the noise, let's create a new layer and rename it noise. Pick a 50% gray color. Increase its brightness to 50. Make sure this S value is 0. Pick the pen bucket tool and click on the canvas. It will fill the selected layer with the foreground color. Convert this layer into a smart object and change its blend mode to overlay. Now go to filter, noise and choose add noise. I think 5% is looking nice. Drop down its opacity to 50%. So there we have. Now it is done. If you want to change the text, double click on this layer, it will open another document. And here you can edit your text. Just double click on this layer and type whatever you want. When you are done with the editing, close this document and save it. And Photoshop will update everything in the main document. You can also change the direction of shadow anytime you want. Just go to layer, layer style and choose global light. And from here, you can change the direction of shadow. You can also use your logo if you want to. Just double click on this layer, drag and drop your logo. Let's scale it a little bit. Put the layer in the group. Also delete this layer because we don't need it. Now as you can see, it is cutting off. So to fix this problem, go to image and choose reveal all. Now close this document and save it. And Photoshop will update everything for you. So that's it. By the way, if you want to learn how to create this design, you can watch this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Also ring the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new video just like this one. I'll be catch you in my next video. Till then, peace.